Leading this bulletin, the National Fire Authority continues its investigations into what caused the fire that destroyed large parts of the Naviti resort on the Coral Coast late yesterday. The 140-room four-star resort is now shut down as the NFA picks through what remains of the hotel's main building area to try to determine what started the blaze.
What was once a beautiful and recently renovated Naviti resort now reduced to this. The normally bustling Naviti resort now reduced to mangled steel and charred wood. By the time firefighters arrived at the hotel, there was little they could do but to try and stop it from spreading to other parts of the property. The hotel spa area reduced to this. Completely destroyed are the hotel's main lounge areas, several restaurants as well as offices.
You had the old wooden structure, especially when the roof of the building was also wood, and it was quite old. And then on top of that, there's the fire spread. You know, it went into the bar, alcohol and everything, and the gas, exploded, kitchen. That's why the fire spread very quickly.
When our cameras arrived at the scene, parts of the property were still in flames. The once beautiful wooden decking overlooking the Coral Coast scenery also eaten away by the unforgiving flames. Fire Chief John O'Connor was also at the scene late yesterday and saw for himself its rapid spread.
Our main primary objective was to stop it from spreading. That's why instead of fighting the fire because of the wind, we decided to cut off the fire from spreading to the two blocks. Nothing, we did that quite well yesterday.
Staff saved what little they could. At the same time, safely evacuating tourists to nearby sister hotel, the Warwick Hotel and Spa.
We must also acknowledge the efforts of the fire team in Warwick and the fire team in Fiji. We had worked closely with Warwick and Fiji to train the firefighters, fire team, and yesterday they were really helpful in fighting the fire.
Hotel staff was also commended by the NFA for following proper evacuation procedures for the 300 guests holidaying at the resort at the time, as well as over 100 workers.
Fire warden was very effective because their evacuation was really, and credit must go to the staff of Naviti Resort for the quick evacuation of their guests and their staff. And as a result, as you saw, it was quite a huge fire, but no one got any injury or something, which is a credit to the management and staff of the Naviti Resort.
Staff were later gathered on the resort lawn area to hear from the management that no jobs will be affected. With millions of dollars in investment now literally up in smoke, the resort owners await the outcome of NFA's investigations before they decide on when they will rebuild. This is what remains of the 4 restaurants here at the Naviti Resort. Around 3 p.m., a fire which started at the Kids Club gutted 4 restaurants, Tapu's and Jack's Outlet. Richard Nath, Fiji One News.